every click, every message, every purchase, your digital life is under constant threat. Data breaches, hacks, surveillance, it feels like nowhere is truly safe. But what if there's tech so secure it's practically unbreakable? The kind that protects national secrets and billions of dollars. Let's dive into the world of ultimate security. First up, the ultimate fortress air-gapped systems. Imagine a computer or network with absolutely no physical or wireless connection to the internet or any other network. Data only moves in or out by hand, often on a tightly controlled USB stick. If it's not connected, it can't be hacked remotely. We're talking military command centers and critical infrastructure, designed for zero digital intrusion. Next, let's talk about hardware security modules, or HSMs. Picture a tamper-proof device whose only job is to protect digital keys and perform secure cryptographic operations. Your encryption keys are locked inside literally unreachable, even to the cleverest hackers or malware. Banks and cloud giants rely on these, securing trillions in digital transactions every single day. So if this tech is so powerful, why aren't you using it? It all comes down to a fundamental trade-off: security versus convenience. Air-gapped systems and HSMs are complex, they're tough to set up and even harder to manage. Expensive. We're talking thousands, sometimes more. Inconvenient, they slow you down, break those seamless experiences we all love. Incompatible. They don't always play nicely with our everyday apps and tools. And honestly, for most of us, overkill. We don't need nation-state security for online shopping or social media. Good news though, you can still boost your safety dramatically without breaking the bank. Here's what matters most. Use a password manager and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. It's your strongest line of defense. Keep all your software updated. Those updates aren't just for new features. They patch critical security holes. And be hyper-vigilant against phishing and scams. Never click on suspicious links. Always pause and think before you act. Small actions, big impact on your digital safety. Learning about ultimate security reminds me, perfect safety always comes at a price. But by building stronger digital habits, you can create a defense that's tough enough for your everyday life. What's your biggest cybersecurity fear? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the Tech Talk TV for more insights, and ring the notification bell. Stay secure, stay tech savvy,